Hello student of class 10. Today I am going to discuss chapter name pair of linear equation in two variable. Before solving exercise we have some basic definition like as constant. A symbol having a fixed numerical value is called constant. For example 8 minus 6 pi and so on. Now variable. What is variable? A symbol having different numerical value is called variable. For example x, y, z, because we can take a different value for these variables. Now equation. An algebraic equation, an equation is a statement of equality. This is equation of two algebraic expression involving one or more variable. Here is one variable. It may be what? More than one variable. Now algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? A combination of constant and variable. This is the combination of constant and variable here, connected by some operations like as plus, minus, multiply, divide, known as algebraic expression. This is what? Example of algebraic expression. Now linear equation. An equation in which the power of variable is 1 is called linear equation. For example 4x minus 20 equal to 8. Here power of x is 1. So this is what? Linear equation in one variable. Now linear equation in two variable. The equation we here consider what? Linear equation involving two variable is called linear equation in two variable. This is linear equation in two variable because here x and y are two variables. Note, in general linear equation in two variable can be written as ax plus by plus c y, because from here we can compare it. A equal to 3, b equal to 4 and c equal to 5. So general equation of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus equal to 0, where a, b, c are real number and a, b are not both 0, because if here a becomes 0, then this cannot remain what? Linear equation in two variables. So a and b both should not equal to 0. Now solution of linear equation in two variable. The pair of values of x and y which satisfy the equation is called solution of equation. What is the meaning of these definitions? Now you can understand by this example. Take 3x plus 4y equal to 24. This is a linear equation in two variable. We can put here different values of x and y. Now suppose we have taken x equal to 4 and y equal to 3. So put in equation, we have see here what? 24 equal to 24 means LHS equal to RHS. So here we can say that 3, 4 is the solution of equation of this equation, linear equation 3x plus 4y equal to 24. So this point 3, 4, this is the solution of this equation. Now consider another values of x, y. Let us suppose the x equal to 5 and y equal to 4. Put in equation 3x plus 4y equal to 24. So on solving we have seen that 31 not equal to 24, means we can say that here LHS not equal to RHS. Hence this point 5, 4 is not solution of equation. Okay, means these values of x and y is x equal to 5 and y equal to 4 not satisfy the equation, so it cannot be the solution of equation 3x plus 4y equal to 24. What is the geometrical meaning of these solutions? Geometrically, what does means? क्या मतलब होता है इसका? It means that point 34 lies on the line representing the equation 3x plus 4y equal to 24. This means this is the point. You know that every line is made up of infinitely many points. So this is the one point which will lie this equation of line. This is 3x plus 4y equal to 24, and point 5 comma 4 does not lie on it. So every solution of the equation is point on the line representing it. Means the point which lie on the line will satisfy the equation, or this point will be the solution of that line, that equation. Now let us consider two equation in two variables taken as general equation. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and another is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These are two equation in two variables. Also we know that these two equation representing two straight line. We know that when two lines are in plane, then there are three possibilities can happen. What possibilities are? Number one, two lines will be intersect at one point. This is the first condition, that if two lines are in plane, then they will intersect to each other, and this point is what? Point of intersection. What is the second possibilities? Two lines will not intersect. If two lines are not intersect, then they will parallel. This is the second condition. Lines are parallel. Now third conditions, the two lines will be coincident, means they will lie to each other. Means this is the first line and this is second line. They will coincident to each other. Here we conclude that above conditions, that number one, if line intersect, this is the first condition. If line intersect, then they have one solution. This is the point of intersection. This is the solution of that both combined equations. Second, if lines are parallel, then they have no solution, because lines are parallel, then they will never intersect to each other, so they have no solutions. Now third is what? If lines are coincident, then they have infinite many solutions. If lines are lie to each other, means what? They have many point of intersection, so they have infinitely many points. That's all, student.